By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start meditating with clarity, confidence, and real results. Forget everything you think you know about meditation. This is the simplest, most effective way to start, especially if you're a complete beginner. No confusion, just 8 simple steps that actually work. Let's get into the video. Step 1. First things first, when should you do this? I would say anytime, but for the best results, let's stick to the mornings, especially if you're a beginner. Think about it, your brain just woke up from a rest. It's fresh, it's not cluttered with any stress, and it's incredibly receptive. This is the perfect time to set the tone for the rest of your day. Step 2. Before we get into the mind, we have to address the body. This might sound a little unconventional, but trust me on this, you want an empty stomach. You might ask why? Well, because this is where the second brain resides, the gut brain, which functions on its own. I want you to clear the slate so your energy can actually flow without any distractions. And the simplest secret to take care of it is to start your morning by drinking a full bottle of water. At least half to a liter of water is what I would suggest. Then wait for a bit and take care of your business. I mean your morning routine. Once done, you will feel light and clean both inside and out. Whether you meditate or not, I recommend starting your day by drinking water. Drink it slowly, sip by sip, and make sure that each sip mixes with the saliva in your mouth before swallowing. Why? Because saliva contains digestive enzymes that play an important role in keeping your gut healthy. A healthy gut can also support better brain function. Step 3. Once you're refreshed, pick your spot. Just find a quiet corner where you feel calm. Make sure the ground is flat and stable. Throw down a yoga mat, a thick cloth, a rug, or even a comfortable blanket works just fine. This becomes your personal sacred space. The one spot where the outside world cannot reach you, at least for a few minutes, and also put down the phone of yours in silent mode. Step 4. The posture. The foundation of a strong meditation practice is keeping your spine upright with effortless effort. You can achieve that by doing this simple posture, which is called Padmasana or lotus pose. Why it works? Because it helps align your body's skeletal structure, allowing your muscles to relax while your mind stays alert. This isn't about sitting stiff like a soldier. It's about finding a natural balanced position where your spine forms a gentle S-curve, comfortably supporting the weight of your head, neck and shoulders. Now, if you're new and your legs feel a bit tight, don't worry, I've got you. You can switch to Ardha Padmasana, the half lotus pose. Just place one foot on the opposite thigh, that's it. Or you can also try Vajrasana. Kneel on your yoga mat with your knees and feet together. Sit back on your heels, keep your back straight and chest open, and rest your palms face down on your knees. The goal here isn't flexibility, it's stability. When your body is stable, your mind becomes stable. In case due to some reason, if you can't sit in any of these postures, you can just sit on a chair. All you need to do is sit in a position that feels steady and comfortable. Step 5. The mudra. While meditating, we want the entire body to work as one unit. For the best results, we are going to use Gyan Mudra, often called the mudra of wisdom. This is one of the most common mudras practiced by many people. As a beginner, you can start with this, and as you progress, you can explore different mudras. To do Gyan Mudra, simply touch the tip of your index finger to your thumb. Keep the other 3 fingers gently extended and rest your hands on your knees with your palms facing upward. It may seem like a small gesture, but it can help improve focus and calm your nervous system. Why? Because your fingertips have a high concentration of nerve endings, and even a gentle touch can support relaxation and improve attention. Step 6. Softening the senses. Now, this is my favorite part. Gently close your eyes, don't squeeze them shut. Just let the lids drop naturally. If a little light still peeks through, that's totally fine. Relax your shoulders. We just want to dial down the noise from the outside world and get into a zone. Next, Let's clear the air. Inhale deeply through your nose and let it out with slow exhale through your mouth. Do that 3 to 5 times, not more than that. Why we do this is because it helps clear out any tension or trapped air in your stomach, giving you more internal space to work with. Basically, it helps cleansing the air you've been breathing all night and letting fresh air into your system. Step 7, the secret. Alright, now you're ready, but not completely ready to master this yet. I'm about to share a small trick that nobody really talks about. Honestly, this has helped me focus effortlessly and manage my energy much better way during meditation. Here's what I want you to do. Gently bring your front teeth together, not too hard, just slightly. You'll notice your tongue naturally resting behind your front teeth. Perfect. That's exactly where it should stay. Now, close your mouth, keep your teeth lightly touching and let your tongue relax in that position. Next, just breathe normally. In and out through your nose. Don't try to do it perfectly. Just observe your breath and let it happen naturally. Stay with this for about 8 breaths. If you pay close attention, you'll notice something interesting. Your breathing will naturally begin to slow down. And once that happens, allow yourself to take slightly deeper, natural breaths. As you breathe in, feel your belly gently rise. As you breathe out, feel it softly fall. Just follow that rhythm. Don't force anything. Let your body settle into it naturally. Step 8. The essence. Your only job right now is to watch that breath. If your mind starts to wander, and it will, don't get frustrated. Just notice and gently bring your focus back to the inhale and the exhale. That right there, that's the heart of meditation. That's what they say, but I say that's not it, especially if you're a beginner. I've noticed this is where many people give up. It becomes overwhelmingly difficult to focus because there are hundreds of thoughts running through the mind. But let me help you. If you made it this far, I don't want you to focus only on your breath and your thoughts. I want you to shift your attention to step 4 through 7. Notice, is your spine still upright? Are your teeth still gently together with your tongue resting behind them? Are your shoulders relaxed? Are you still holding the mudra? Are your eyes gently closed or are you forcing them shut? Pay attention to these details. You'll start to notice what's happening. Your eyes may be tensed, your shoulders might have tightened, and most likely your spine may have slouched. Address these while keeping your focus on your breath, because every time you get caught up in your thought, this awareness will help you realign yourself and return to focus. And that's it. A simple, powerful way to start your journey toward a stronger mind. If this helped you, hit a like and share this with someone who could use a little more peace in their life. I'd love to hear how you felt after trying this. So if you can, just leave a comment. In our next video, we are going to go even deeper into how to unlock higher levels of focus. So make sure you are subscribed. Until next time, find your peace, stay kind, and love yourself. I'll see you soon.